Dear student, welcome. Good morning, all of you. In this video, we will say 5.7, 5.8, 5.9. That is our true false. First one, each angle of a rectangle is right angle. True. The opposite side of a rectangle are equal in length. Yes, true. The diagonal of a square are perpendicular on another. Yes, true. All the sides of a rhombus are equal length. Yes, true. All the sides of a parallelogram are of equal angle, equal length. No, that is a false. The opposite side of a trapezium are parallel. No, one side can be parallel, but one opposite side can be not parallel. Give a reason for the following. A part, a square can be thrown of a special triangle, that is 6. That is second A part, that will be solution, or that can be answer also. See that one, that will be a rectangle with all side, a rectangle that with all sides equal become a square, equal become a rectangle, right? And then second part, that is a rectangle can be thrown of a special parallelogram, that B, that is a parallelogram with each angle, that parallelogram with each angles. So each angle, a right angle become a triangle, a right angle become a rectangle, C, that will be a square can be thrown off as a special rhombus, so that a rhombus with each angle, a right angle become square, a right angle become a square, that D part, that will be square, rectangle, parallelogram are all quadrilateral, all these are four side, all these are four angle, four sides we can write here. Angle also we can write polygon made, polygons made of line segment. And then E part, that square is also parallelogram, parallelogram. Yes, that is also parallelogram. The opposite side of a square are parallel. The opposite sides of a square are parallel. So it is a parallelogram. Question number 3, that is, a figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length and angle are equal in measure. Can you identify regular, quadrilateral, a square? A square. And then 5.8 examine whether the following are polygon if any one among them is not, say y. Say y, that first A part, no, because not closed, and then B, yes, 6 side polygon, 6 side polygon. C, no, because not line segment, because given the circle, not line segment. D, no, because 2 line segment is given but third is a curved line is given, so not line segment. Second question, name each polygon. 4 side, A has a 4 side, that is a quadrilateral. That B, 3 side, that is a triangle. That C, 5 side is, that is a pentagon. D, that is a 8 side, that is a octagon. And then third question, draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. Connect any 3 of its vertex, so that we will draw the hexagon. That means which polygon has 6 sides, and we will draw the any 3 vertex. So that is a vertex. Identify type of the triangle you have drawn. That triangle will be, that can be isosceles, that can be scalene, equilateral can be not. Fourth question, draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. Octagon, it means that side has 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is 8, and then join regular octagon. Use squared paper also we can use. Draw a rectangle to join exactly 4 of the vertex. That one, 1, 2, 3, that is 4. Or that can be, this is the isosceles triangle, that scalene triangle, this is a isosceles triangle. Fifth, a diagonal of a line segment join any two vertex of a polygon and is not a side a polygon. Draw a इसका जो pentagon, that means we will draw the pentagon. Pentagon means which has a 4 side, oh sorry 5 sides. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a pentagon. And diagonal also we can join that one diagonal. That is a diagonal. This one also can be joined. This one also can be joined. Okay. And then last exercise is that 5.9. First is a match of the following. Match of the following. That cone means there is a second part. B sphere means that you are looking the ball. Cylinder you are looking, that is a fifth. Cuboid like a book, third part. Pyramid, that is a first part, like the 3 triangle is given in that one. And then second question, that A part, your instrument box, that is a geometry box. That shape we know that shape in cuboid. That is a part. B part, a brick you have seen, a building made by brick, that shape also like a cuboid. C part, that matchbox, everybody has seen matchbox, that shape also in cuboid. And then D part, that road roller, everybody has seen on the road, that cylindrical. E part, that street laddu, everybody has seen laddu, that spherical, sphere. Okay.